Good morning students. We have done formal organization as well as informal organization. Today we are going to discuss what is the difference between formal organization as well as informal organization. So be focused on the difference. I am explaining you one by one. The first basis of difference is formation. Formal organization is formed deliberately on the basis of rules and regulations of the organization. An informal organization is originated due to social interaction of the employees at the workplace. So, it is created deliberately and it is created spontaneously. Second basis of difference is authority. In case of formal organizations, authorities arises on the basis of position in management. The person who is sitting at the higher position, more authorities are given, and the person who is at the lower position, that person is given less authorities. Here, in case of informal organization, authorities arises out of personal qualities. It means the person who is having leadership qualities, that person is made leader of the informal organization, or you can say leader of the informal group. Third basis is behavior of members. In case of formal organization, the standard of behavior of members is prescribed by the management and enforced by the management. What will be the behavior of members? That is based on the rules and regulations of the management. Persons can communicate for official purpose only in case of formal organization. In informal organization, standard of behavior is based on group norms. Group norms means rules and regulation of the group, and these group norms are created on the basis of mutual consent of group members. So, behavior of members will be according to the group norms. Next basis of difference is flow of communication. In case of formal organization, communication is done through scalar chain, and managers prefer communication in written form. In informal organization, there is no specific direction. Messages are communicated in all directions, and most of the communications in informal organization are in oral form. Next basis is nature. Formal organizations are rigid and stable, which cannot be changed. Means everybody has to follow the rules and regulation, and these organizations are very stable. Then informal organizations are flexible and unstable. They are not rigid. They are flexible in nature. It means their rules regulation keep on changing, as well as members are also change their groups very frequently. Sometimes the members are the part of one group, and at the other time they change their group and becomes a member of another group. In this way, these informal organizations are very unstable. Then next basis of difference is leadership. In case of formal organization, managers are leaders. It means managers perform the role of leaders also. Otherwise, there is no specified post of leader in formal organization. Then, in case of informal organization, leaders may or may not be the managers. In case of informal organization, it can happen that leaders are manager, or it can be happen that leaders are not the managers. And these leaders are chosen by group members. Who select the leaders? Leaders are selected by group members, and it is possible such leaders are managers also. Okay, so class, this is the difference between formal organization and informal organization. After going through the difference, you will be able to find out, you will be able to identify formal organization as well as informal organization. Even then, if you have any doubt, you can discuss with me. Thank you, students.